With the increasing influence of EPCB brand, more and more users choose EPCB. This is a boiler used in a noodle factory in Africa, and the customer's fuel is biomass. Because it was introduced by an old customer, EPCB carefully tracks all aspects of procurement and production, and has been repeatedly checked before shipping. Before preparing for delivery, our staff will carefully check the goods to ensure that all the goods are dispatched. The boiler body is placed on a car, and other boiler auxiliary machines and accessories are packed into a container, which is arranged reasonably without wasting every inch of space. For export boiler transportation, the role of container reinforcement is particularly important. All the goods are prepared together to ensure that customers can put into production at the fastest speed. EPCB, your private boiler system expert.